We are walking in the dark.
Yeah, we are.
Yeah, we are. We're going to be going to Indiana Beach tomorrow, but we are walking in the dark tonight.
And it's going to start pouring balls rain in a minute like it is now.
It better not rain tomorrow.
Yeah, it's about to pour rain now.
I know, I feel it. The video quality on this is fuzzy and sucks. Sounds like one of them trolleys. It is raining, there's a pool.